Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a masculine card. Yes, I am trying my hand again at making masculine cards. I'm not very good at it, but we're going to give it a try. I'm using the Phrases for All stamp set, the Irresistible Blooms dies, and the Tartan Foil Specialty Designer Series paper. These two items are online exclusives, okay? So you won't find these in the catalog. These are online. So before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over our buzzworthy business of the day. Let's start with, there is a paper pumpkin kit every month. So Paper Pumpkin is your one-stop box for creativity. Click the link below for Paper Pumpkin and you can subscribe and you can learn what kit is available right now, okay? You always have until the 10th of the month to subscribe to get that month's kit. Now we have our mystery boxes. These are the boxes that I have stuffed with new and used retired Stampin' Up products. It's a medium flat rate box. I'm asking $25 for each box. Most of that is shipping. I can only ship in the US, and if you're interested, email me. My email address is stampwithshana@gmail.com, okay? Lastly is our host code. This is the monthly host code I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, and this code does change every month, okay? So let's go ahead and get started on our project. So I have a card base here of Pretty Peacock. It is 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2, burnishing the score line with our bone folder. I have some inside paper for the inside of our card. It's basic white, 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. And I'm going to go ahead and layer on some of that tartan paper that is, I believe this is 3/4 of an inch. Usually it's 3/4 of an inch. With some of this silver adhesive-backed glimmer paper, as well as a little strip of the black. It's about 1/8 of an inch. Okay, and I don't know which way I want to do this. I think I want to separate it and put the black here. Yes, that's what I want to do. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to run some glue down the side of our cardstock here. And I'm going to put the designer series paper on. And look at that. There's no more room for glue. I mean, there's no more glue. So let's go ahead and put some more down. We're going to get our little 1/8 inch strip of the basic black. I'm going to put that right up against that one. And we need a little bit more glue. And we're going to put our, oh no, the glimmer paper is adhesive-backed. I forgot. I'm not used to having adhesive-backed glimmer paper. So we didn't even need the glue for this one. It's adhesive already there. So let's go ahead and push that on nice and snug. And we're going to take our scissors and cut this off. Okay. So now we're going to adhere this to the inside of our card so we can have that portion taken care of. Oh, I didn't get this corner. Oh man. I see that I didn't get this even up here. Need to trim that off. Alrighty. Let's get this on the inside of our card. I think this is cute just like this. Just this part. This would have made a cute front. Stamp a sentiment or something right there. Okay, so now the front of our card, we have a piece of the tartan foil that is, I believe, let's see, 2 by 5.5. Yep, that's what it is. That's what I'm saying it is. And this is going to be 2 1/4 by 5.5. The basic black. So we are going to adhere this together. Just like this. So this is going to run the length of the card. Trying to get this in the center because it's over to the side a little too much. Okay, come down. We need you even. I got this design from Tracy somebody. Oh gosh, I can't remember her last name. No, I have the dropsies again. So we're going to add this to our card, to the front of our card, about right here. Oh gosh, it's more than, okay. Wait. Because I thought I cut this to 5.5, so I have to cut it down. My goodness. So it's probably 6 inches long. Or 5.5, 5, yeah, it's probably 6 inches long. So that's, oh, I want this to be straight. Sometimes even cutting on this line, I don't get it as straight as it should be. Okay. I don't know why I thought I cut that to 5.5. Okay, so now we have some work to do. We're gonna do some die cutting. So this is some more of the adhesive-backed silver glimmer paper. I have the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, my baby boss. And I have 2 leaves from the Irresistible Blooms dies. We're gonna die cut these out. I think I'm gonna do it twice to get 4. Let's see how that come out. Oh, okay. We are going to need, get my die brush here, see if I can get those little bits out. Okay, that worked pretty good. This is just a little attachment you can have on your Take Your Pick tool. And it's pretty good. See how quickly all those bits came out. They're everywhere, but they came out, didn't they? Oh, goodness. Stuck to my plate. Okay, and I think I want to do it one more time. Let's see if we can fit both of these on here. Maybe. If it doesn't fit quite, that's okay, because we're going to tuck one in. So let's run this through. You can see what I'm doing better this time. Okay, this one doesn't want to come off. Oh, this is not my regular Take Your Pick tool. Oh, goodness gracious. I was looking for my piercing end. Okay, so let's put that in our little magnetic hexagon so we won't lose those. Get all of this mess out of the way. Okay, so we have this all die cut out. Uh-oh. Did I throw away? Where's my 4th one? Okay, you guys, I have lost one of my die cuts, but that's okay. I was only planning on using 2, but I wanted 2 extra ones because I wanted to add some more bling, but we're going to be fine. So what we're going to do next is some heat embossing. for our sentiment. So let's go ahead and get started on that. We're going to get our embossing buddy here. Is this the right side of the cardstock? Lord have mercy, it's not. Now, hopefully I don't mess up because I only cut this one piece and I'm already losing things. So let's get our Versamark ink. And we're going to stamp this thank you. Uh-oh, I touched it. I'm going to stamp this thank you to the right. Hopefully that's straight. And I have some silver embossing powder here. Let me get that embossing buddy stuff off. Let's put that on there. Get some tweezers to grab hold. We can dump most of this back in here. Take a look. Looks good. So let's clear our mess. Have the heat gun here. Let's get started. Okay, that is done. So now we can add that to our basic black. Let me tell you, the size of this pretty peacock here is, what is this? This is pretty peacock. It's 1 1/4 by 2 3/4. Oh my gosh. And this basic black is 1 1/2 by 3. My brain sometimes. Am I putting this on? Yes, let's put this on. Thinking I'm gonna pop this up, but I'm gonna pop up the entire sentiment instead of just this layer. Let's get this on here. Oh, I'm loving this. So one of these is gonna go on the top of our sentiment here. So we're gonna just put this right there. And we're gonna have another one that's gonna, you know what? I think I'm gonna put all 3 on here. I think I'm gonna put all 3. So let me put this on with a Stampin' Dimensional. Dimensionals, where are you? Let's see. I want it to be about right there. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put some dimensionals on here since I have them out. Well, there's one with no backing. I don't have to worry about that one. You guys know I'm gonna use up some dimensionals. Let me see, where do I want this one? I want this one to go about right there. Yep. And I think I'm gonna leave the I'm gonna try to leave the inserts in. Hopefully when I peel off this Adhesive-Backed release paper. Oh, the release paper is already off. Well, that's good because I want it like that. So let's take this dimensional, put it on top of there. I don't want it to go anywhere. We don't want it to go anywhere. Please don't talk about my dimensionals. I know I'm using a lot. Okay. Let's put a dimensional on the back of that one. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is gonna be cute. Okay, so now let's get our take your pick tool. Oh, I thought that was gonna be the last one I lost. Oh, I really want that one. I wanted to decorate the inside a little more. Oh well. It is what it is. Come on. I'm taking these off, and I should be throwing them in the trash instead of dropping them here on my desk like this. Let's move them to the side. And we are going to place this about right here. Ooh, that's crooked, that's crooked. Let's try to get that straight, Shauna. That's pretty straight. Although I don't really like the way this one is sitting on here. Because they're both going out the same. Maybe I should do it to the bottom. Nope, don't like that either. This is what I like about adhesive-backed things. They do allow some time to move for moving. Okay. I have to make a decision. I think I'm gonna put it like that. There we go. And I want some bling. So since this is Pebbled Path, we're gonna use some of the in color dots in Pebbled Path. And you know what I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna put one right there. Yep. You know why? Because I can. And I'm gonna put one right there, and that's it. We're done. All right. Look at that. My masculine card. No flowers, but leaves, you know. Leaves are neutral. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.